Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate build a form to app pipeline with Typeform step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Typeform account. If you don't have an account, visit the Typeform website to create one. After logging in, select Create a Typeform to start building your form. Choose a template that suits your needs or start from scratch. Add a title to your form to clearly define its purpose. Next, click on the plus button to add questions to your form. Select from various question types, such as multiple choice, short answer, or rating. For each question, customize the text and settings according to your requirements. Once your questions are set, review the design options to ensure your form is visually appealing. Customize colors, fonts, and images to align with your brand identity. After finalizing the design, click on the Connect tab to integrate your Typeform with other applications. Choose the platform where you want to send responses, such as Google Sheets, Zapier, or more. Follow the prompts to link your Typeform to your chosen application. If using Zapier, create a new Zap and select Typeform as the trigger app. Set your trigger, such as new entry, to initiate the workflow when a user submits the form. Then, select the action app you want to connect with, such as a project management tool or CRM. Map the form responses to the relevant fields in your action app to ensure data flows smoothly. Test the integration by submitting a response to your Typeform. Verify that the data appears correctly in your connected application. If everything looks good, finalize and enable your integration. Your form to app pipeline is now active and ready for use. Monitor incoming responses to ensure everything operates as expected. Make adjustments as needed to optimize the workflow and user experience. Celebrate the successful activation of your form to app pipeline with Typeform. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.